Hello everyone. Well, the rifle stock project is finally complete, and I'm about as happy getting it that way. It's been quite the project, but I've enjoyed every minute of it. The rifle itself is an on-Schultz 22 long rifle, model 54 sporter rifle, and I wanted to build this target stock so I could put my new upgrade target scope on and do a little long distance shooting with the 22. It's something that I've been looking forward to getting completed, and as always, thanks for watching.